Takže čaute, dneska som u nového videa, dneska to je moje prvé video, skáčem na tramskúte, akurát sme v aute, jak vidíte evidentne, akurát ideme do Košíc a môžete sa tešiť na extrémne triky.
Hour later.
OK ľudia, sme akurát v žamparene, idem sa tu prezliesť do oblečenia na skákanie, aby som tu nebol spocený, takže autisti tu buchajú, takže môžeme ísť nejaké bangre dať. OK ľudia, akurát ideme trochu po jazde, tak dúfam, že si užijete túto montáž môjho jazdenia.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro, don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back?
Dobre ľudia, to bolo všetko pre toto video, dajte veľa like, odber a vidíme sa na ďalšom. Čaute.